question of this session. Actually, this is a kind of a, because we know that youth is a time of enormous energy. A lot of youth is in a confused state of mind. So what will be one piece of advice at the end of this session would you like to give to today's youth?
Yeah. See, we are in a 21st century,
Yes.
and the need of the customers are changing, and the education institutes needs to be dynamic in nature. At the same time, industries are also very dynamic in nature. So the requirements are changing, the needs are changing, the technologies are changing. I think you need to be very adaptive in nature so that you can adopt any technologies. If you ask me, the 5 ingredients, what I suggest. The two is, your own stream skills. Like example, let's say you are an electronics engineer. So try to concentrate on 2 areas of your stream so that you are best of the best in those 2 areas. The third one is cross domain, very, very important. Let's say you are an electronics, as I said, mentioned earlier, but you try to learn something on the road technologies, because let's say the urban development ministry and the smart cities, they need lots of electrical engineers, electronics engineers, or computer science engineers. So if you learn how the smart cities work, I think that kind of a domain knowledge, or a banking, or investments, or for say the cyber security, it's going to create more than 50 lakh plus opportunities in next 3 years itself. I think cybersecurity, blockchain,
Right.
artificial business intelligence, because after 4G, 5G, we are creating terabytes of information, right? So
Exactly.
someone needs to translate all this information into a meaningful format. So I think you need to concentrate on domain knowledge. That's the third one. The fourth one is language. I think, you identify which, maybe may not be with doing your job in India, you may get an opportunities outside. So try to learn multiple languages. Like example, Japanese, we have an amazing opportunities there. If you learn French, I think your employability opportunities will increase. So that is the, fourth one I say. The fifth one is, don't forget our culture and our
Right.
languages.
Exactly.
Let us preserve, very, very important, because most of the youth, they only speak English. But I recommend, when you speak with your parents, you try to speak in local languages.
Right.
And when you try to speak with your friends, just have some fun, and, and speak in our Indian languages, and try to maintain our and preserve our culture. Very, very important, because the minute uh, someone destroys your heritage and culture, you will disappear. You will end up nowhere. I think this is the fifth suggestion what I have. So let us be more progressive and upfront, and advanced technological human beings at the same time be as an Indian. Thank you very much for giving the opportunity. And I
Actually,
wish best of luck to all the students, faculty, and every Indian. Let us all work together
sure.
and create a Vishwa Guru, out of our country, because we were a Vishwa Guru. And I'm sure we have that capability, and we have that eligibility, and we are. And I would like to close with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalamji's quote. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. So I always, inspired by this quote, and see what kind of amazing people born in our country, because this country has, our land has that capability of producing best of the best. And I'm sure if we all work together, we will create a vibrant knowledge society and make our country as a Vishwa Guru by utilizing Make in India Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for joining and giving your important time. And I must say that the kind of energy you brought into this session was very inspiring, and the advices which you have given will be meaningful for meaningful for the viewers, those who are watching this session. And one more thing which I would like to ask is that, sir, I have found you a very down to earth personality. Thank you so much.
Namaste.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.